Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your daily 5-minute tour update, and today we will talk about the 3 black crows on the weekly time frame. So let's start this analysis. And here is CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.8% on 24 hours, in the week 1.8%. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin, 3.4%. The Binance coin is also going down more as Bitcoin, but in the week they are in a nice little plus here. Solana is going up a little bit, 2%, in the week 11% in the plus, and the other altcoins, the most altcoins here, are going down. Here, Luna is pumping for the day in the week with 55%. And this is a mixed view here. On 24 hours, we can see Luna is the biggest winner, 10% in the plus, OKP 9%, and Polygon Matic with 7% in the plus. Biggest loser, Immutable, 13%, Stacks 12%, and Voyager Token 11% in the minus. On 7 days, biggest winner is Luna, Stacks number 2, and Polygon number 3. I have a really nice video about Stacks out there. Please watch it, guys. It's important. The 7 days in the minus, the biggest loser, Wax, is going down 32%, Engine 29%, and the Sandbox is also going down 23%. You can see here the Fear and Greed Index, it's on 32 points. We have again fear in the market. So what is telling us the Bitcoin price prediction? And you can see here the Bitcoin price prediction is showing us here we are going up from this point here. So maybe 56,500, and after this a nice pump to the upside to 59,000 again. We will see if this will happen or not. For the moment, we have 55% bullish and 45% bearish, and you can see this is the summary of all these indicators, SMA, EMA, and so on and so on. Technical indicators, what is telling us Tradingfees on the daily? We should sell here. You can see it daily, sell Bitcoin, 4 hour, sell Bitcoin, 2 hour, sell Bitcoin, 1 hour, sell Bitcoin. It's interesting. Tradingfees is telling us we should sell on every time frame, and the Coin Codex is telling us no, we are going up here. Really interesting, guys, really interesting. So you can see it's really hard for the moment to predict the future for Bitcoin. For the Bitcoin dominance, you can see, yes, we are going down. We broke this nice support here to the downside. We broke it, and we are again on the way to the downside. We are in this bad parallel channel, and we need to break out to the upside. But for the moment, we are here in this bad downtrend. What are telling us the candlestick patterns? If we are going in a little bit more, you can see here, this one was a Harami cross. We saw this for about 10 hours, a Harami cross, but we are going sideways, a long wick to the downside and sideways. And guys, you know it, a long wick to the downside is for the most times a nice sign for an upgoing price. So we need to watch this. We need to watch this candle now, a long wick to the downside, and I hope now for a nice, yes, Rudy, I hope for a nice leg to the upside. We will check a little bit later the weekly time frame. Now let's go in this one. This is the 4-hour time frame, and this was the last picture from yesterday. Yesterday I told you, yes, we are building a diamond pattern. We saw a nice breakout of the diamond pattern, but it was not enough volume here, and we rejected, and we're going down again. And this was the last thing I showed you here yesterday on the 4-hour time frame. This is the falling wedge, and I showed you guys, attention on this point. Can we break out from this falling wedge? We will see a nice leg to the upside. But if we will see a correction here, we will go down here hard maybe, and we have here now to watch where are the next support points here for Bitcoin. And you can see, yes, we went down with this one here, so we can't forget it. We went down here. Now we have once again the big support on 53,200. This is one of the biggest things we need to watch now. And if we will lose this one, we have here on the downside this trend line, this support trend line, and depends always where we will hit this line. 51,400 maybe is the next thing we need to watch if we're going down more and more here. But for the moment, we can see one thing. First of all, we saw here the death cross on the 4-hour, and you can see, I told you this yesterday, the green line is a support line, and it's so important, we need to hold this green line. For the moment, the green line is holding as a support. You can see it here, really nice, it's holding. But, and that's really important, guys, we need to hold this line here on the 4-hour time frame. Really, really important. So today I am not showing you a lot of things here on the short time frames. I showed you this yesterday. A nice member asked me yesterday, Biti, please check the weekly time frame and check the 3 black crows on the weekly. If this will happen, we have maybe big problems on the bigger time frame. So let's check the weekly time frame. We will make this. Here is the weekly time frame. Let's remove everything here. Let's remove the desk cross, everything. Let's zoom in here. Let's remove the drawings. What can we see? And yes, that's not nice. The 3 black crows. What are the 3 black crows? Guys, this is a really important pattern. The 3 black crows, we will see 3 red candles, and you can see, guys, if these candles will close like this one here, we have a new bearish pattern, and this is on the bigger time frame a really bad stuff to watch. So let's watch back here. What can we see? The same stuff here. We saw a candle here to the downside. The second candle started in the body of the first one. We can see it here. The second candle started in the body here of the first one. And now you can see the third candle. This is also important, must also start here in the body of the second one. We will check this here again. And if we're zooming in a little bit more, yes, guys, yes, these are the 3 black crows. This is the pattern of the 3 black crows. And if this candle will close in 3 days here, like this, we have maybe a big problem, and maybe we will see more dump to the downside, guys. It's really possible to see here more dump. One thing I will show you here before we end this video today, not a long video. Yesterday I made a really long video. This is our bullish uptrend, and as long as we are in this bullish uptrend, everything is okay for this little pump from the downside here from 30,000. But guys, if we will lose this uptrend, if we will see here the 3 black crows, and yes, they are possible, we have maybe really big problems here to the downside, and then is everything possible. We saw a higher high, we saw a lower high, okay, and we need now to stay, and this is the one of the biggest things here over this area here, and this is guys, okay, I know it is a really low target, and it's not a target, it's a big support, but we need to stay over 30,000. That's the big thing for the bigger time frame. We need to stay with this. If we will fall under 30,000, we will make a lower low, and this is a really big problem for the moment. Okay, everything is okay, but attention, yes, the 3 black crows may become through here with this pattern, and this is not nice. Guys, thanks for watching. This was the short update for Bitcoin. Every day a new update from me, from your Bitcoin Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And please visit my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant, on YouTube and on Twitch. I'm streaming there 24 hours, 7 days a week. Special thanks to Lighthorn. He spent me $15 US. He's supporting me, and I like you very much for supporting me, guys. And Lighthorn, special thanks to you for supporting me. You are now the new boss of my channel. You can see it on the upper right side. And once again, thank you, Lighthorn. Thank you. Guys, bye-bye. Have a nice time. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye-bye.
System activated.